adventurers, tinkerers, and everyday heroes. It's time to ditch the bulky toolbox and embrace pocket-sized power with the next Tool Mini flagship. This ain't your grandpa's multi-tool. This is a 10-in, one beast ready to conquer any everyday challenge, outdoor adventure, or kitchen calamity. Meet the Mini flagship. Red or green, you choose your weapon. This stylish beast isn't just about looks though. It's built like a tank with high-grade stainless steel that laughs in the face of rust and corrosion. Bent handle for ultimate grip. This ain't just for show. This ergonomic design gives you maximum control and leverage when tackling tough tasks. 10 tools in one tiny package. Spring-loaded pliers, a razor-sharp knife, bottle/can openers, screwdrivers, a wire cutter, even a nail file. You name it, the Mini flagship handles. Small but mighty. Don't let its size fool you. This 68mm x 27mm x 18mm Wonder weighs just 100 g, making it your ultimate EDC companion. Slip it in your pocket or bag and conquer the world, one task at a time. Real-world action. From stubborn jars to loose screws, the Mini flagship is your everyday problem solver. No more trips to the toolbox. Just whip it out and be the hero of the kitchen or anywhere else. Really. Camping, hiking, exploring? The Mini flagship is your outdoor BFF. Fix gear, open bottles with style, and be prepared for anything the wilderness throws your way. Emergency preparedness? Say no more. This little guy could be a lifesaver. Having pliers, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener at your fingertips can make a world of difference. Pros and cons. Super compact and lightweight. 10-in, one functionality covers most everyday needs. Durable construction built to last. Smooth and satisfying operation. Cool red and green color options. Cons. Some tools might be a bit small for heavy-duty use. Not a replacement for a full-size toolkit. The verdict. Look, the next Tool Mini flagship isn't just a multi-tool. It's a confidence booster, a problem solver, and a tiny superhero for your pocket. It might not tackle major construction projects, but for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, and even emergencies, it's got your back, and everything else. So, ditch the bulk, embrace the power, and grab your Mini flagship today. Call to action. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Mini flagship. Have you got your own pocket-sized superhero? Share your favorite multi-tool stories and let's celebrate the power of preparedness. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews and adventures. Stay adventurous, stay prepared, and keep it mini. Until next time, peace out. Bonus tips. Add humor and personality to your script. Show before and after shots of how the tool solves problems. Offer discounts or links to purchase the Mini flagship. Engage with your viewers in the comments. I hope this gives you a good starting point for your YouTube script. Feel free to adjust it to fit your own style and audience.